this video, we'll see record runs and the most unbelievable, painstaking thrash I have ever seen at the drag races. You got to stick around because you're not going to believe this. Let's head across the pond to England, to legendary Santa Pod Raceway, to the Top Fuel pits. Rikard Gustafson putting some heat in his nitro-breathing monster and making sure that everything was ready for this upcoming run. Side-by-side burnouts for the rider from Greece, right-hand lane, and that man from Sweden, the always tough Rikard Gustafson. Opening qualifying from the FIA, FIM, European Drag Racing Finals here on Cycle Drag. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Is somebody going to lay down a big number? Let's listen. Blast off side by side. Filippos smokes the tire just a little bit. There goes Rikard. Watch the scoreboard. 596 223. Welcome to the fives. Everybody watching. 596 223. That's a quarter mile.
Oh yeah? What are you?
How you doing? What did you say, sir?
Are you the man from Cycle.com?
Yes, sir.
I'm Steve West from England.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, mate. You're a very famous man.
So you watch CycleDrag.com in England?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
I appreciate you guys watching over here. We do appreciate all of our friends across the pond. Now, there was a big price to pay for Rikard. Wait till you see this. Keep in mind, Rikard competing for a championship on this weekend. That, my friends, is a thrash. Every piece and component disassembled on that motorcycle, and a crank coming from 1,000 miles away.
It's just astonishing, isn't it? These guys have got, and this thing is absolutely in pieces. It's in pieces.
Now, I know a lot of the European racers do take pride in making it through the season with only one engine. But certainly here, I can hear Larry Spiderman McBride in the back of my mind saying, this is why I bring multiple engines to the racetrack. Ian King brings up a great point where he doesn't want people to think Top Fuel is too expensive. You can do it with one engine, but man, it's good to have a backup engine. And Larry's point is always, it's easier to tear it down at the shop. If you have an extra bullet, which Larry has about 5 of them from 43 years of racing, he's able to bring them with him and avoid situations like this. We really felt bad for Rikard, a great competitor, but that's not the type of thrash you want to see at the racetrack. Well, coming up, we'll see what Fast Phil can do. Uh-oh.
I think he stopped about 2
Oh
inches
no,
short.
and that is not a good sign at the Porta-John. Urine overflowing on the Porta-John. We will just hold it, thank you very much. But we're going to stick around to see what Fast Filippos Papafilippou can do. Here comes the Golf Oil Machine. There is a team that made it through the entire season with just one engine. It's amazing. turbo stock motorcycles. Taking on the top fuel beast that you're looking at right now. Problems both riders. We're 0 for 2 on that one. Here comes Phil. Filippos Papafilippou, a rising star. Taking on the turbo bike. As you can see, many different combinations are legal in top fuel bike in England. We see turbos, we see nitrous. That's what they need to fill the field, fill the show. Phil on a monster run. Fast Phil 566 246 new European record, ladies and gentlemen. The quickest run in European top fuel bike history. How great is that, Cycle Drag universe? We have the quickest motorcycle run in America. This is Larry Spiderman McBride, Valdosta, Georgia. 5:52.64 world record.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
The quickest motorcycle run in Australia. Great 60-foot time, Chris Matheson. Watch that scoreboard, ladies and gentlemen, at the top end. 6:03. And now you just witnessed the quickest top fuel motorcycle run in Europe. You can see them all right here on the Cycle Drag YouTube channel. Thanks for being a part of this journey. Man, that was awesome. Let's take one more look in slow motion. Nice, clean, straight launch by the rising star, Fast Phil, and he shocks the world. 566.
You know, and I got some stickers for you too. I think I ran out. I'm gonna have to go get some more. But what do you think about? We got a lot of excitement. Fast Phil going 566. Did you guys see that?
Yeah. Awesome.
We could see maybe a world record here in England. Oh, I got one left. I'm gonna give you more though. Thank you. You're welcome, man. Thank you, guys. What was your name again?
Steve West.
Excellent. Thank you for all the support. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
How about that? People watching us all the way over in the UK. We appreciate it, guys. We love motorcycles all around the globe, but let's show you some absolutely staggering photos of the wrench session, the teardown that took place in the pits of Rikard Gustafson. Now I can pass on the update that Rikard did get his crank. The team worked all night. They were able to get the motor reassembled, but something was not right. They were not able to make it down the racetrack in first round. A terribly disappointing way to end the season, but hey, that's Top Fuel Motorcycle for you. Attrition, parts damage, it can happen at any given point. Hopefully, Rikard comes back with a second engine. I know that that would have helped avoid a lot of this. It is incredibly expensive. Ian King's right, it's expensive. But man, a spare motor is nice if you can afford one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we provided you with a little bit of entertainment. That's always what we aim to do. We love motorcycles. You love motorcycles. Let's keep this thing growing. Check it out, guys. Up here on the wall, 100,000 subscribers. I love it. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. We appreciate it. Please come with any story ideas. We love the comments and the feedback. I read every single one of them. The positivity is always appreciated. And you haters out there, I love you too because you keep me on my toes. Thank you for watching no matter what. Guys, to keep this thing growing, please subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Hit the bell for notifications. Share with some friends who like drag racing, like motorcycles. This is how we can keep this thing going. And also like cycledrag.com on Facebook. And we'll keep rolling. We'll keep finding those stories. We'll keep finding those impressive high-performance motorcycles that you want to see. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate it. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, we are in. Cycle Drag rolls on.
Yo, what's up, guys? Gabe Tuft here, founder of Body Spartan Racing. We're about to pack up and head out to MSR Houston. Just want to give a huge shout out to Cycle Drag and Jack Corpella. The site's awesome. What they do is awesome. Jack is awesome. Go check them out.
Hey guys, this is WWE superstar Zack Ryder. And when I'm not winning championships or collecting action figures, I'm on YouTube watching Cycle Drag and going to cycledrag.com. And also when you're on YouTube, go to the Major Wrestling Figure Podcast. All right, Cycle Drag on YouTube, cycledrag.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, the legend is here. How are you doing, sir?
I'm cycle dragging. That's what I'm doing. Cycle dragging forever and ever and ever.
You are the man. Sweep the leg, right?
Sweep the leg, no mercy, and cycle dragging.
McBride, your 20-time Top Fuel champion, world record holder. And one thing I'd like to do would be thank cycledrag.com on Facebook. And I'd like for everybody to watch and view Cycle Drag on YouTube. People that help us out, help our sport out a lot. And if you don't support them, it's hard for us to get any support, guys. And just keep supporting my man Jack, and we'll be here a long time.
Hey, Cycle Drag, you know we got your back. Come here for a second. Check this out. Brock's Performance Exhaust. Well, right now, if you go down below in the description, you will find a special link to save you money at Brock's Performance. Make sure you check it out. The link is down below. You can get your exhaust pipe and so much more. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. We can't wait to see Rikard back at the track. Congratulations to all the record holders that we saw in this video. Please make sure you are subscribed, like, share, like cycledrag.com on Facebook, and you know if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, we are in. Cycle Drag rolls on.